Hello, I'm Betsy Kim, Editorial Director of Lawyers.com, with today's Newsbreak for your house and home. If you get a check in the mail, no matter how small the amount, be careful before you cash it. A Brooklyn, New York couple is suing the country's largest subprime loan servicer, Ocwen, in federal court. They say Ocwen and financial company Country Home Services sends customers a $2.50 check that looks like a mortgage refund, but in small letters, it says by cashing the check, homeowners enroll in a $500 per year home warranty, which increases their monthly mortgage payments. The plaintiffs say people get locked into services they never use because they don't know they're buying them. If you're looking to bring home a new front-loading washing machine, ask questions. The largest manufacturers, LG, Sears, and Whirlpool, are being sued in a class action that alleges design defects. The plaintiffs say, unlike a top-loading washer, front loaders must be airtight. This causes growth of mold and mildew that makes washcloths smell foul. The manufacturers have refused to honor warranties, saying people just need to clean out the drum after each use and to leave the door open. Finally, Home Depot may be shaking down its customers accused of shoplifting. That, according to Bloomberg Businessweek. Jim and Chen paid for over $1,400 of goods from a San Leandro, California store. He used a pair of $3.99 gloves to load up lumber. When he checked out, he added the gloves to the top of the pile, but they were not scanned. Security detained Chen for theft. Home Depot sent 2 letters, first demanding $350, then $625 to settle the shoplifting claim. Chen filed a class action lawsuit. He claims Home Depot intimidates customers with false threats of criminal charges and civil claims. Chen's attorney says the company sends out hundreds or thousands of these letters as a fraudulent business practice, collecting big money. I'm Betsy Kim, reporting for Lawyers.com.